In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix blog in 2025. Whether you're starting a personal blog, launching a creative outlet for your ideas, or building a platform to engage your audience, creating a blog on Wix is a fantastic choice. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, open your browser and head over to the Wix website editor. Simply log in, or create an account if you don't have one yet. The website editor is your central hub for all things Wix and will be your playground for designing and managing your new blog. Once you're in the editor, you'll want to look for the Add Apps option. This is where you'll find various features and enhancements you can integrate into your site, including the Wix blog app. Click on Add Apps and you'll be directed to an area where you can search for specific tools. Now, in the search bar, type in Wix blog. This is the app that allows you to seamlessly incorporate a blog into your website, complete with customized posts, categories, and various layout options to suit your style. You'll see Wix blog pop up in the results. Go ahead and click on it to view more information. Once you're on the Wix blog page, click on Open to start integrating it into your site. This step will set up the basic blog structure and provide you with the tools you need to get started on your blogging journey. Next, navigate to Manage Posts. Here, you'll be able to create and edit posts, organize them into categories, and schedule them for publication. This area is pivotal as it allows you to maintain, update, and control the flow of content to your readers. After familiarizing yourself with managing posts, it's time to check out the settings. This section is where you tailor the specifics of your blog's functionality, adjust settings related to privacy, SEO optimization, and reading configurations. These settings are crucial for making sure your blog fits your vision and reaches your intended audience. Finally, take a moment to explore the Plugins option. Plugins can significantly enhance your blog by adding features like social sharing buttons, comment sections, and more. It's in the Plugins area that you can refine and expand your blog's capabilities, aligning with your needs and the desires of your audience. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up a Wix blog in 2025. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating engaging and dynamic content that resonates with your audience. Remember, a blog is not just about writing, it's about creating a community and telling a story. Enjoy the process, explore different settings, and make this blog uniquely yours. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.